Good morning, everyone. This is Tuesday in South Carolina. It's bright and sunny. Beautiful day to get out all the RC cars and clean them out and reorganize all the stuff for them. And that's what I'm doing today. And what I have here is I got a Kraton 6S. I got a new Maxx. I had it for about a week. Senton that the kids use. And I got a Arma Typhon. So 3 Armas and 1 Traxxas. And I'll go over some of the pluses and minuses. Of course, I got the charger for the Traxxas, and it has different connectors and a couple batteries. And then I got the high moto charger. Pretty much charges anything, anywhere, anytime. So it's been pretty good. Of course, this is for the Kraton. This is Kraton parts. You know, I got a new servo, new receiver, bunch of diff seals, and diff rebuild parts. Just to go over them, some tools is pretty good, the wrench, and for the Kraton I have extra tires. The stock tires are Scorpions, Copperheads, sorry, I got Scorpions on the car right now, but these are the Copperhead 2, Copperhead 2s. They're pretty weighty, but the Proline Trencher X's, they're actually lighter than these tires. You see how much wider the trenchers are than the stock tires. About the same height. But these are a lot wider, and they're actually lighter. They balloon pretty good too. So not as stable as the Scorpions. Scorpions is just plain old stable. So I have a little circle track out front, dirt circle track, and the thing just goes around it with ease. It's a land yacht. It's fast, but it's a land yacht. These are just some of the tools. We're going back to the tools. Of course, I got the upgraded Traxxas tools, and I got this little IXO. It's a lithium-ion drill. It's pretty slow, but that's what I like about it. I don't have to worry about stripping out gears with some high-speed impact drill. I'll wait a few seconds longer, and don't have to worry about stripping out. You can still strip it out. It has pretty good torque, but it's old. I've had that thing for a long time. There's the Maxx, Senton, and the Typhon. Just some extra parts for the Senton. Diff gears. It goes through diff gears pretty well. They always have the plastic diff gear. Of course, I got an extra speed controller for it, extra servo for it. There's actually extra motor for it. They're brush motors, so it's pretty cheap. Good for the kids to bash around on. STX2 controllers. It has a plastic wheel. It's okay. It does it controls the car really well. The Typhon has lock-up tires. Well, they're worn, really worn. And right now, kind of more of a street car now. I have hoons on it, and those handle really well. It's really fast. I got speed gear in it, it's fun. You can tell with the Armors that they have. Still have a plastic brace on here. Don't have the metal brace. Some metal bracing in front. It's held up well. The Senton, just a regular 2-cell LiPo battery, nothing special. Beats around, it's fun. Kids bash on it. The Maxx, I had it for a week, and look how clean this is. Everything's just, you can see the difference between the Kraton. Hope you can see the difference between the Kraton. It has all the parts where you need them to be. It has good balance. A lot of the stuff is moved forward, so it won't wheelie so bad. There's tons of stuff on it. And the Maxx, Mini Maxx, as some people call it. I like it. It has, a cooling fan on the motor, a cooling fan on the ESC, and I just like everything's laid out nice and clean, no clutter, strong. I've wrecked this thing pretty hard already. It's only a week old, and haven't broken anything. So that's a plus. The only thing, I did take the rear diff and apart, and there was some dirt inside, and actually one of the bearings on this side was the metal. Well, they're metal bearings, but it has a rubber seal around it. Well, both the seals were gone on the diff bearing, outer diff bearing. Both the seals were gone on it, so I guess it was letting dirt in. I have some new seals on order, but I'll try not to keep taking in the dirt too much right now until I get the new bearing in. I did push those rubber seals back into it and clean them up, and hopefully they stay about it. And the Kraton, just running SMC 6L battery, and it's a new wing on this. Got the stock wing back there. It's a land route, handles well, like it. It's fun. Haven't broken too many things on it. Has hot wings bracing, so hopefully that'll keep it running well. And these Scorpion tires are flat. They don't balloon out hardly at all, so it makes the car extremely stable at high speeds around like an oval track, dirt oval track. And that is about it. I have a Sterilite box there that I'm gonna put all the pieces and parts in and just straighten everything up. Alright, thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day. Okay, I got everything packed up, and got the radios, got the box with all the parts and tools and everything in it. Batteries, chargers, everything fixed in this nice Sterilite box. Has rollers, roll it around. And there's the cars. And you want to see, everything fits in. And tires, tools, chargers, batteries. I got this Traxxas toolkit. It's really nice. Open it up. This is made for all the drivers. You can see. So all of them fit into this little thing. Slow but steady, which I like. So, and this is just cobalt. This is just some pliers and things in there. There's some wire cutters and dynamites. Drivers, those are good. And the stock ones that come with it's not so good. And got all the cars ready to go. I don't have the pins in, but you notice on the Kraton, when you lift the Kraton up, a lot of the weight's on the front. See how the back end comes up? So that's why you don't have a problem with the wheeling out of control so much. And I've lifted up in the middle, and see it's still wanting to tip to the front. Now with the Maxx, with the Maxx, sorry, it's not Max, it's just a regular Maxx. It's just a 4-cell, but it is fast and it's wild and it's tippy. So when I lift it up, you see how it wants to go to the rear. So it's kind of rear biased, neutral to rear biased. So that's why the wheel stands so fast and so hard and so long, because it has a lot of the weight neutral to the rear. This is to the front. I don't know about the Outcast, just the Kraton. And the Senton and the Typhon. Alright. So, it's a beautiful day. We're going to get out, go around the track, have some fun. So nice. Beautiful weather. Cool. We'll rip around this today. Gonna have some fun. Alright. Take care, guys. Bye.